Our topic for today is about problems involving money but focus on installments. Starting question. If you wanted to buy a 30,000 pesos gadget but you don't have a full amount, would you wait until you save up or buy it through installment? Okay. What do you mean by installment? Okay, so when you say installment, we're paying for an item in parts, not in full cash. Okay, pag hindi natin kaya bayaran in full, pwede naman natin siya bayaran in terms. Okay? So, it usually involves a down payment and a monthly installment. So, mostly to sa mga bumibili ng gadgets or appliances sa mga mall na hindi pa kaya bayaran ng cash kasi nga naman sayang, no? Ayan. Okay? So, pag nag-installment tayo, usually, hinihingan tayo ng down payment. Tapos, mag-monthly installment na lang tayo. Okay? So, pwede naman yung iba, nag-offer sila ng zero down payment. Okay? But expect na mas malaki yung monthly installment doon. Okay. So, the total payment is higher than the cash price because of the interest. So, kung titignan mo, mas tipid pa rin talaga yung cash price. Okay? Yung full cash mo babayaran. Okay? Pero if you look at sa practical, yung installment, okay siya, pero may interest. Okay? Kasi, matagal mo siya binayaran eh. Ayan. So, tarya-tarya ka nagbabayad. Okay? Compare mo dun sa isang bagsak ka nagbayad. Ayan po. Okay? So, here are some of the terminologies that we may encounter in this topic. So, the cash price. So, when you say cash price, okay, ito yung price if you paid it in full. Okay? Yun nga, hindi ka nag-installment, binayaran mo ng buo. That's the cash price. Okay, next. Down payment, ito pag nag-installment ka, itihingin sa'yo. Okay. It's the initial amount paid upfront. Okay. So, ito muna yung babayaran ko. Ayan. Paunang bayad. Okay. That's down payment. Okay. A down payment, usually, ito na agad yung binabayad mo. Okay. On that day na bibili mo yung isang item. Ayan. Okay. Next. Installment price. So, ito yung total amount na babayaran mo if you choose installment. So, ipagpa-plus mo lang dun yung down payment na binayad mo, tsaka yung total monthly payments mo. Okay, mamaya, malalaman natin yung computation. Okay? Next, monthly installment, of course, the amount paid each month until the balance is cleared. Yan. Ito yung, depende sa, na-compute, no, kung magkano yung babayaran mo monthly. Ayan. Okay? Interest, of course, that's the extra amount charged for paying overtime. So, dahil nga, by terms ka nagbayad, so syempre may interest na yun. So that's the extra amount na binabayaran. Okay. So the formula for installment price is the down payment plus the monthly payment times the number of months. Ayan, yun napakita na rin kanina. So elaborate na natin siya sa example natin. Okay, example. Okay. Yung cellphone, ang cash price niya talaga is 12,000 if you pay it in cash, no? But since yung iba, siguro nabibigatan sa 12K, hindi kayang bayaran. Yan. So, siguro gusto mag-installment. Now, if you choose installment, okay, magda-down ka doon ng 3,000. Okay? And aside from that, may 12 monthly payment or 1 year payment ka na 900 per month. Okay? Now, okay, magkano kaya yung installment price? Okay? Okay. So, installment price, yung 3,000 na dinown mo, i-add mo dun sa monthly payment na 900 times 12. Okay? Kasi 1 year mo pa daw babayaran yung monthly installment na 900 eh. So, 900 times 12, that's 10,800. Okay? Plus yung 3,000 na dinown payment mo, okay, that's 13,800. Okay, ngayon, yung cellphone, yung cash, if cash price mo siya binila, that's 12K lang. Now, yung extra pay, or extra amount na binayaran mo, that costs 1,800. So, yun yung interest. Okay? Okay, another example. Yung TV, ang cash price niya talaga 18,000. But since hindi makaproduce ng 18,000 agad-agad, nag-installment. So, nag-down lang siya ng 5K. Okay. Pero may 12 monthly payment or 1 year payment siya na 1,300 per month. Okay. magkano yung installment price niya. Okay? So, pinag-add lang natin yung down payment na 5K plus yung 1,300 na babayaran niya for 12 months. So, 1,300 times 12. Okay, that's 15,600 plus yung 5,000. Okay. So, all in all, ang nabayaran niya for the TV is 20,600. Okay. So, ngayon, magkano yung extra amount na nabayaran niya? Kasi nga nag-installment siya. So, subtract lang natin yung installment price na 20,600 dun sa original price ng TV or sa cash price niya na 18,000. So, sumobra lang ng 2,600. Okay? Yan. So, that's how we compute the installment. Okay? Yan. So, for your assessment, ayan, if you like to take a screenshot of this and take a practice, ayan. Okay? Thank you po.